Hello, today I have two of my favorite gimbals over here. The one on the left is the MOZA Mini-Me and the one on the right hand side is Zhiyun Smooth 4. I have tested these both out and I have put them out through a test and they did well, they performed well. You will see that video later on in this video. You have this starting off with the MOZA Mini-Me. You have that on the left hand side, which is here. It looks a bit smaller than the Smooth 4, but it is much heavier than the Smooth 4. It isn't heavy, like really heavy, but it is heavier than the Smooth 4. You have your function buttons over here, your little dialer to scroll around the menu. It has 7 functions on there, so depending on what kind of shot you want to take, so it will come in the instruction and you'll go through that. It is quite simple. It's really easy to use. You have this little dialer here too, which is if you want to manually turn the gimbal yourself. It has good thing about the MOZA Mini-Me, it has a wireless charging, so you could charge your phone while you recording. It has one mount over here, so you could mount anything on there, and another mount here, and a mount at the back, so such as if you want to use a microphone or a light, LED light. Then you have your charging port here, and this bit comes off, but I only put that on for you guys to see, but you could take it off, but I keep it on there to show you guys. MOZA Mini-Me is just it's a nice little gimbal. Like I said, it's just slightly lighter than the Smooth 4, but you know, it doesn't make any difference really. But yeah, it is great. I mean, when you buy this first, what you want to do is you put your phone on there, you want to adjust this by doing this and just pull it out. It's already been pulled out, but you put your phone in there and then you just adjust it. So obviously when you put that on, your phone should be stabilized by using this bit, by adjusting it. Okay, that's the MOZA Mini there. Let's get on to the, which is the Smooth 4 over here. Smooth 4, it's great gimbal. I mean, I have, like I said, tested it. It did well. It did perform very well actually. Let's start from here. You have this little zoom in and out dialer. So obviously when you turn it up, it zooms in. When you turn it down, then it zooms out. You have your little power mode here. You have your little dialer, your menu, and the whole bunch of things on there. This one, unfortunately, it has no wireless charging on there. So I mean, if you do prefer one with a wireless charging, you can get one. This locks in as well, so you could just pull this out and it will come out like that. And if you want to put it on your display or somewhere in your bedroom, you just push it and then it locks back in. With this one, it hasn't got any mounts, so if you're looking to put anything such as a microphone or a flash, there isn't any, guys, so just to let you know. You have this little function buttons over here. This is just to change the function of what you're shooting. Now that we had a look at it, why don't we go ahead and watch the video that I did for you guys to see how these two gimbals have performed. Okay guys, now we're testing the MOZA Mini-Me. Now I'm just going to go down the stairs and see how smooth it is. It's just me walking slow. Okay, we are in my living room. Go out into the garden. Double click the lower button and it will bring you to its old position. Just having a little wander around on the grass. Could even tilt it sideways. There is 7 follow modes on this phone, so 7 different functions. that you could choose from. Yeah, let's go and try to walk upstairs and see how that shot will come out. Okay, just gonna walk upstairs now and see how smooth that shot will come out. I think it's really smooth. Okay, I'm gonna try and run downstairs now and see if that makes any difference. No, it's perfect. Sorry about the stairs, they're creaky. They're getting fixed soon. So, let's try to go upstairs. Okay. Ah, that was amazing. I like that. It's good. Okay, let's go ahead and try the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Okay guys, now we're going to try and test the Smooth 4. Okay, just gonna walk downstairs now. Now let's slow pace. Let's go into the garden. Double click the lower button and it should bring you back to your old position. Just like that. Have a little wander around. And if you want to use fast mode, you double click the top button. Okay. Okay, let's just walk upstairs now. Okay, just walking upstairs. So I'm gonna try and run downstairs. And I'm gonna try to run upstairs. Perfect. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please do not forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. I will leave the link down in the description for you guys to go and purchase these two guys if you like. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up too and subscribe if you are happy with what I've showed you guys today.